Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will guide you how you can easily start your own LLC. Now the first thing you want to do is just easily scroll down below to the description and click on the link. When you will do it, you will get right here on a site called Incfile. Incfile is an amazing company that is going to help us set up our own LLC. And what I like about it is that I always say that you should focus on actually running the business, making the money, providing value to people, and not taking care of administration, like how to start a company or also the accounting. So outsource it, leave it to someone else, and then you can focus on actually running the business. So Incfile is amazing in that, not only with the customer support, with the reviews and how effective it is, and simple that after watching this video you'll know how to do it and you'll be ready to go. So here you want to click start my business, and then when you're going to choose the LLC, and then you want to find the state, Massachusetts, right here. Then you're gonna have three options here. We can go with the silver, gold, or platinum packages. So with the silver, you're gonna have the basics: unlimited name searches, free registered agent service for a year. With the gold, you got it too, but you get much more options like business tax number, operating agreement, banking resolution, unlimited phone, email support, business tax consultation. So I always recommend going with the gold one. And then you're gonna have options to go also with platinum, which is $819. And you're gonna have the business contract templates, expedited filing. So these are the three things included comparing to gold. And with expedited filing, you're gonna have like the LLC is going to be filled faster comparing to normal days, like not 3 weeks, 4 weeks, but only let's say 10 days. We will see what the program will generate. So right now I'm going with the gold version, and later in the video you can upgrade it to platinum if you want to. So first name I'm going to be Marcus Stonelius. Now I'm going to add an email and phone number. So like this, I will add a phone number here and email address. Okay, then you're gonna have also the mailing address. So I'm going to add a street, then I'm going to also add the city and also state and zip code. Now when you got it, click next. So when you're gonna further, you have option to have a 3 weeks filling time or 1 business day filling time. So I would recommend going with a 3 weeks, because later in the video we can upgrade it to platinum version. But if you want to go not with platinum version and you want to have just filling time faster, go with the 1 business day. That's like up to you. And on the right side you would always find like the price. Okay, then you're gonna have the LLC name. So I'm going to add my name of the LLC and designator. You can have it as a bakery by Jessica, hair salon with Marcus, whatever. Then designator, LLC, limited company. I'll choose LLC. And this is the official company name. I always loved when I was creating my own company. It was amazing. Now we're gonna have the number of members and owners. I'm going to choose 1 because it's just me. And business purpose. So business purpose is going to be, we provide marketing consultation for small business owners, and keyword is going to be marketing consulting services. And then when we have it, you have also option like you just add the keyword here, what describes your business, let's say construction, company address information, and here you have options to have a professional business address and virtual mail service, and also you have option to use my own address. So if you want to maintain a privacy by using a commercial address, you can go with the professional business address here. And then you have option to go $29 a month, or you can simply use your own address. That's completely up to you. Now I'm going to press next again. And then you're gonna have the expedited filing service, business contract template, domain name, business email address. So again, this is something that you can do. So if you need also the high quality legal documents, you can go with this one: privacy policy, terms of service, sales agreement, joint venture agreement. So you can have cover everything here, and you can choose that. And also you would have domain name, business email address. So you can get upgraded bonus with the faster filling time, or you can, no thanks, I will pass on this opportunity. So I'll click here like get upgraded bonus. And now I have options to go with an individual account or the address by Incfile. So where are you, like where is your headquarters? Click next. Then you're gonna have registered agent information. Also, before the step, you could assign it by yourself or a company if you're representing a company that you are creating LLC with another company. So you're gonna have also the registered agent information. This is something that I definitely recommend to have with the Incfile. And you have options to assign Incfile as my registered agent for free for 1 year, or you can do it by yourself. This is something that I recommend definitely to do it with the Incfile. There you got it for free and you don't have to pay anything. After that, it's 11900 value right here. And when you got it, then I'm going to click again next. Here you're gonna have the tax identification number information, and the number is 9-digit number that is assigned by the IRS and used to identify taxpayers. We will apply and obtain your IN from the IRS electronically, so you don't have to do it by yourself. And all you have to do is just like two options here, the SSN or the other one, and just add number. When you got it, you're gonna also add the physical street address. And again, I would recommend like where you live, so they will send there everything. Or do assign a company address. So that's another thing that you can do. Then press next again. And here you have option that you can open a new account with the Bank of America. And you can have the Bank of America small business specialist will contact you and you can open for your business bank account. That's again up to you, or not at this time. Next. Here you're gonna have to complete your order, and here you're gonna have one of the last steps is to have option to have the business consultation for free. The free consultation is that how the LLC is taxed, how to reduce self-employment and taxes, how to reduce the chance of the IRS audit. And when you got it, click yes, I would like to receive the business tax consultation. And then click simply next. That's something I definitely recommend for you to have. Now, I have 2 licenses that I need for marketing, but maybe you're gonna have like 3 for 1 license here. And when you will have it, all you have to do is that yes, identify all licenses I need and send me the necessary application directly to your address, which you're gonna add here. So that's something I definitely recommend for you to do, is that they will send it to you and you don't have to do the work. Now, when you got it, click next again. And then you're gonna have the contact information, the agent info, company, member, everything. Then press next again. And then you're gonna have the billing information. So in the step before, you could easily review everything. And then in the billing information, you would have the card number, street address, country, cardholder, first name, last name, everything what you need. And then Incfile is going to send you all the stuff. You can easily call them, chat with them. You got everything right there. So thank you very much guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, you can like it, share it, subscribe it. If you can have any questions, ask down below in the comments. You can also ask Incfile. Thank you very much. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.